Hey there, I'm Lena Brazil from Evolving Table, and today I'm going to be teaching you a quick kitchen tip to make a homemade buffalo wing sauce. You can use it on your favorite baked chicken or cauliflower wings, or even drizzle it on top of just about any dish when you think it needs a spicy kick. And all you will need is 4 ingredients with an optional 5th and 5 minutes to make it. So let's jump straight in and take a look at what those ingredients are. For this recipe, you'll need some type of hot sauce, butter or another kind of oil, garlic, salt, and the optional ingredient is a sweetener, such as honey, pure maple syrup, or agave nectar. You'll want to grab a medium-sized bowl and add half a cup of hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot Original is the most popular and easiest to find, but crystals or even sriracha sauce may also be used. 6 tablespoons of melted butter. A vegan butter substitute can be used if dairy-free. 1 clove of crushed garlic or half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of honey. This is optional and can be left out if you're on a low-carb diet. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. Whisk ingredients until well combined. Okay, now we've got our sauce ready to rock and roll. If you want to, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to about a week or so, or you can use it in your favorite recipes like these baked buffalo chicken wings. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.